Welcome back to Ratnasai tutorial. Friends, today we are going to discuss PUC second year English question paper along with the key answers which is recently published by PUC department. Okay. So today we are going to see the key answers or scheme of valuation. Okay. So this is the question paper second year. Subject code of English for PUC second year is 02. Subject is English. Allotment time is 3 hours 50 minutes. Number of questions are 35 and maximum marks are 100. Most of students may not understand the instructions and may not care, may not give much importance. So you should see the instructions carefully. The first one is that follow the prescribed limit while answering the questions. Here we should see the limit of each question so that there should be no time waste and as per marks is concerned, as per lines we should write. The second one is write the correct question number. So students, you can see here the question number. The numbers which are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 serial number, you should write as it is. Okay. Then the third instruction is 1 mark questions attempted more than once will be awarded 0. So if you write 1 marks questions more than 2 or 3 times, will be given 0. So you should write only 1 time. The fourth instruction is answer to the question number 24 A to Z and 25th 1, 2 and 3 should be in a sequence and at one place only. So these questions 24 and 25 should be in a single page. Okay. Then for multiple choice questions, choose the correct answer and rewrite them. For multiple choice, you should write only one answer. Okay. Let's start the questions as well as the key answers which is recently published by PUC department. Okay. So here I have the scheme of valuation. These are the answers. March 2020 scheme of valuation, subject English, code 02. It is published by PUC department. Okay. Let's see one by one. The first question is, what does the phrase new snow suggest in Romeo and Juliet? See the answer. The first answer is, it suggests love as pure as snow. Or in description also we can write of Romeo's charm. Anyone we can write. Okay. This is the first answer. Let's see the second question. How much did the French government demand in the lesson to dear? The second answer is 16,000 francs. Question number third. Whom does the word boys refers to in on children? The third answer is parents. See the question number fourth. Where was Navadhyana farm started? By Vandana Shiva. The fourth answer is in the Doon Valley, Uttarakhand province. See the question number fifth. Who is the gallant lover in the play A Sunny Morning? The fifth answer is Gonzalo. Question number 6. Pilgrim soul means the soul. The sixth answer we have C, which is in quest of true love. This is the answer here, C1. Who is felicitated as the best poet of his times? The gardener. The answer is Tamanna. See the question number 8. Dash is given. Condemned to live in a shoe suggests that the foot is. 3 options are there. Among 3 answers, the board has given answer the prisoner. That is 8th one. A option is there. Okay, 8th one, A option. Let's see the 9th one. Which is the most astounding invention of man according to Burgess? The 9th answer is the book. See the question number 10th. What is a man's telephone receiver in the lesson Japan and Brazil through a traveler's eye? The 10th answer is his castle or man's castle. Question number 11. Expand POP. Here answer is given Progressive Organization Party. 12th one. What does the bicycle represent for the rural women? The answer is freedom, independence and mobility. So these are the 12 questions given by the PUC board key answers, scheme of valuation. So these are the correct answer if you have written these things. Okay, please see the questions which you have in your hand question paper, and see what answers you are written. Okay, let's see the second bit. The second bit, 4 marks each, 8 questions are there, 32 marks. Okay, here in bracket choose at least 2 from poetry in a paragraph 80 to 100 words. This you should write at least 2 from poetry part. Okay, see the first one. How does Juliet immortalize Romeo in Romeo and Juliet? This is the first poem of POC. So as per key answers is this: Juliet invites in night, gentle night, cut him into little star, heaven fine, world will love him, worship garrison, immortalize Romeo. These are the words. Okay, these are the words called magic words or important word. By making these words, you should make a sentence properly, and these words should be there in your answers. If these points matches with your answers, you'll get surely 4 marks. If not near it matches also, you'll get 2 marks. If not, 1 marks you'll get if among these few points if matches. Okay, so this is the very toughest situation for PUC students, where need to write 80 to 100 words, means they are unable to write these words, and if they write also, they write the stories. So please avoid stories. Okay, write only exactly words. See the next question. What benefits did the criminal enjoy in the lesson? 2 dear. So what are the benefits? See here, the criminal, no work, food from the palace kitchen, special guard, take care of him, good benefits. If these are the points, if you have written in your answers by making sentences of 80 to 100 words, you'll get surely 4 marks. Okay, then we're going to the next question, question number 15. Okay, here question number 15, describe the concept of earth unity by Vandana Shiva. So we should write the concept. Okay, so the 15th answer we have here: earth unity teaches earth democracy, recognize, protect, respect rights of species, freedom from hunger. If these are the points, if you have written in your answers, surely you will get 4 marks. Now see the question number 16. Give instance to show Laura's witty remarks about Gonzalo in the play A Sunny Morning. Let's see the next answer, that is 16th one. Laura calls Gonzalo in an ill-natured man, carriage, dust from shoe, handkerchief as shoe brush, reading the book, reading glass, telescope. If these are the words, if you have written and made paragraph of 80 to 100 lines, surely you will get 4 marks. Then next question, how did the owner's lifestyle change after the arrival of the old man? See the answer. Arrival of the old man, income improved in the garden, petty thefts stopped, owner become lethargic, shade away from hard work, plantation expanded, owner's life colorful. If these are the points, if you have written in your answers, surely you will get 4 marks. Next question, what does the poem To the Food from Its Child convey about life? We'll see the key answers of this. Question number 18. Poem conveys harsh realities of life. Prisoners in a shoe, no rest, never stops, fields, mines, markets, backwards, forwards, toils. If these words you have written in a paragraph 80 to 100 lines, surely you will get 4 marks. Okay, let's see the question number 19. Define Borges' definition of poetry. Here you need to write definition of Borges, what he has said. Okay, see the answers. Poetry, intimate, essential, aesthetic act, series of symbol, poetic act, poet writes it, reader reads it, poetry, magical, mysterious art of poetry, finding words. If these are the words, if you have written and made a paragraph of 80 to 100 lines, surely you will get 4 marks. Question number 20. Mention the hierarchy of bowing in Japan? So the answer is here. Basic rules: bowing. Wife bows to the husband, child to father, sister bows to old brother, Japanese girls employees at stores, dear at Nara bows to the writer. True Japanese. If these are the points, if you written in this question number 20, you'll get 4 marks. Okay. Next, trace the changes in the attitude of the villagers before the coming election in the lesson The Voter. Question number 21. See the key answers. Elections Umofia. People realized value of vote, wealth, titles, honors, benefits of all kinds, quickly and plentifully. Marcus Abe enjoyed everything, private plant, new house, people, aspired for the better life. If these are the points you have written, you'll get surely 4 marks. Okay. Next, the question is, describe the struggles suffered by the Wada people to get water. Here, untouchability, old strife, Wada and the others, Panchama, no rights to draw water, humiliation, wood thirst, all day, social injustice, Mahal struggle, only weekly bath. If these are the points you have written for 4 marks, surely you'll get 4 marks. Okay. This you can write anyone. Okay. So the first question, comment on the title A Sunny Morning. So this is the 23rd first answer. The answer should be in the form title of the play, bright sunshine, past lovers meet in the park, few verbal arguments, ill-natured of Gonzalo, chasing the birds away, Laura angry, Gonzalo offers a pinch of snuff, settles, peace between the two, reads poem, 20 years pass away. Okay, so in this way, all these things you should write. Okay, if you write all these words in your answers, surely you will get 6 marks. Okay, so let's see the next question. Heaven can be created on earth. Justify with the poet's point of view. Students, I will stop here for 10 seconds, or you can pause the video. You can write down all these things. I cannot read all those things because the video becomes so longer. So just pause the video. You can see this. Okay. Let's start the second one. Heaven can be created on the earth. Justify with the poet's point of view. Let's see the answer for this. For this answer is, here is the answer. Okay. See here, the answer is this. 23rd B. This is the answers. If you have written among these words in your answers with 200 words near to near, surely you will get 6 marks. You can pause the video, you can stop the video and write down or note down the things, or you can make assumption what you have written. Okay. Next, question number 23. C1. Okay. How does the lesson The Voter show that Roof is an intelligent manipulator? Okay. So this is the third answer of the C1, 23rd C1. Okay. If among these words, if the words matches with your answers, then surely you will get here 6 marks. If not, if you have also written, you will get near 2-3 marks also. Okay. So you should be very good in writing of these things. Now we will move to the 24th question. Okay. The 24th is a passage. You can see here. Read the following passage and the answers, question set on it. I'm not going to read all the passage. Here 10 questions are asked. Each question is of 1 marks. Okay. Let's see the questions which are given. Okay. Here, the first question. What important quality did the manager lack? Okay. Let's see the answers for this. The answer is politeness. Second one. What did the staff expected from Hollies? This is the answer. The staff expected Hollies to tell the manager to be polite. Third one. Why were there frequent changes in the office staff? See the third answer. because the manager never considered the feelings of the staff. Fourth one, why did the Hollies not tell the manager anything? Fourth one, Hollies never mustered the courage to tell him anything. Next question. What were the terms used to convey politeness? Thank you and please. Next one. What had Hollies worked on? F answer is Hollies had worked on some difficult papers. Then what did he expect from the manager for his hard work? See the answer. G answer is a word of praise. Next question. What did he expected from the manager for his hard work? What he had expected, okay? So the answer is here. The manager said nothing. Sorry, which one we are doing? We were doing of G1, right? So the answer is a word of praise. So for F is concerned, what had Hollies worked on? So for this answer is F1 is Hollies had worked on some difficult papers. Okay, then this one. What was the reaction of the manager for Hollies hard work? H1 is the manager said nothing. Then for this, Hollies said, I beg your pardon, sir, because. Option is he was creating an opportunity for him to teach the manager a lesson. Okay. What the next one, last one is add a prefix to the word polite to form an antonym. Antonym is nothing but opposite words. Okay. The answer is impolite. Let's see the next one. Question number 25. Very easy. Most of my students had practiced on this. I said this is the most important questions. It will come definitely, and see, this is the same question has appeared for my students. They will feel very happy. So for this, in one page you should write, okay, what could not walk a step? As you got the answers, the answer is for this, the speaker and the poet. Where did the man go? To the great physician. Third one, what was the reason given by the man for using the crutches? Because he was lame. 26th question. Complete the following by filling the blanks using the right form of the verb. Okay. First one, Tapovan dash. Here Tapovan is nothing but, see, the first answer is was written. Here was should come, and here verb 3, and again here next word comes was influenced. Here also was is there and V3. Then next comes symbolizes. Here yes is added. Yes is added. Okay, for this you'll get 3 marks. So this is the answers. Was written, was influenced, symbolizes. Done. Let's see the question number 27. Question 27, read the following conversations. For 5 marks it is asked. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I said to my students only 5 lines are given. The handkerchief you should write from the lesson A Sunny Morning. The same question has appeared. They are very lucky. See the answers. Donna Laura asked Gonzalo if whether he used his kerchief as a shoe brush. Okay, everything is written as per the direct and indirect speech. Okay, see the answers. If this is your answers, you'll get surely 5 marks. Okay, stop the video. You can see. If I read all the lines, the video become too longer. So please stop the video and see the answers. Okay. Then question number 28. Here question number 28 we are going to see. Yeah, question number 28. Complete the following dialogue. It is also asked for 4 marks. consumer and the seller. So if the answers, see the answers what is done given here by the PO board. Salesman, good morning madam, greetings, I'm looking for a good television. Here inquiry is there, consumer and seller. Okay, so here inquiry is given, you can write anything. So here the inquiry is done, I'm looking for a good television. Okay, here Rekha dash is there, salesman, are you looking for any particular brand information? Then I'm looking for a Sony or a Samsung, given preference. Okay, here given preference is there. Then salesman is there, answers. Then salesman, these brands are very popular madam. Okay, here is there already in the question paper. Then selecting is there in the option, I prefer Samsung. They are asking selecting, and his answer is anything, you can write the brand name, and the remaining things yet here only. You can see once, stop the video and see, it is for 4 marks. Then coming to 29th, see the 29th one, it's for 2 marks. Sorry, one question is there for 2 marks. Okay, so these are the options are there. You need to write in 2 blanks, 3 options are there, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the first option is leap and bounds. With answer leap and bound, this is the first one. Then second one is all the sundry, this is the second one. So first here, second here, this is answer. If you have written these answers, you'll get here 2 marks surely. Okay, let's see the question number 13th one. Question number 30 is that linkers is there. So if you have written linkers properly, you'll get here 1 marks. Okay, let's start the linkers. Fill the blanks with the right link. Okay, here the options are here written. The first answer is when. Here, a dramatic Chipko movement took place in the Himalayan village of Advani in 1977. So these are the answers. First one is when. Question number 30. We are also discussing 30. First answer is when. Second is who, with, that. So the number becomes, first is when. Okay, then who is there, second, third with, then fourth that. So 4, 1, 3, 2. If the answer you have written like this, you will get here exactly 4 marks. Let's start the 31st question. So 31st question is this: read the following passage and make notes by drawing and filling the boxes given below. Here 4 marks is there. So here 8 boxes are there. You can see here properly, all the 8 boxes is visible. So in the first box, 19th century. Here in the second box, better conditions. Here third is need for more cleanliness. Here fourth is good expert care. Here then fifth, nuns. Sixth, priests. Other member of the church, St. Thomas Hospital. If these are the 8 points, if you have written in these 8 boxes, okay, you will get surely 4 marks. Then we'll move to that question number 32. 32 is question number of letter rating. Okay, see here, write a letter of application in response to the following advertisement which is appeared in Times of India 23rd March 2020. Okay, see here, question number 32, it's a letter rating. So letter rating marks is for 5 marks. It depends upon format, body of the letter, and for 2 marks and 3 marks equal to 5 marks. Format, how you written format, normally apply to it becomes 2, and qualifications, if you write if you have written in proper way, so surely you will get here 5 marks. Okay, let's see the question number 33. Here 33 also speech writing is there. Here the marks is allotment is given. See the 33, speech writing is there. For greetings 1 marks is there. Correct language 1 marks is there. Then remaining things are here. If you written properly these things, you will get here as per given marks. Okay, 5 marks. Let's see question number Next one. So among here, you can also write the pi. Okay, here option is given or for question number 33. Among here, you can write here or this, or you can write this pie chart also. Okay, pie chart among one you can write here as per given marks by the PUC board. Here report writing, presentation of data, how you present the data 2 marks, analyze of the data and expressions. So total it becomes 5 marks. If you have written properly presentation of the data, how the data is given 40%, 20%, 10%. Okay, then analyze of the data, how you made analyze on this, and expressions, the sentence which you made here, you will get as per the marks. So question number 34th we'll see here. What do the underlined words in the following extract refer to? Here 4 marks. So 4 options are there. Here pronouns is asked. So here who means, see the answers of the PUC board. 34th, who is people. Then here is India. Then he is Winston. Then this is nothing but strange attire. Okay, if you have written these answers for question number 34, you'll get marks. People, India, Winston, strange attire. Last question is 35th. Rearrange the jumbled segments to form a meaningful sentence for 1 marks. Own every its language country has. They have given different words here and there. We should make a meaningful sentence. The first becomes every country, then has its own language. This is the answer. Every country has its own language. If you have written these answers, then you will get surely 1 marks. So this is the only key marks I have. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. You'll get a latest notification. Thank you.